Good morning, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be just showing you guys some last minute items that we got off of our baby registry. This was everything that we used our completion discount on. So I'm going to go through this little basket. So there's a couple things in here that weren't from my Amazon registry, so I'll show you guys those first. And then I will show you the small stuff from the registry, and then the big stuff we will talk about. Oh, I've got a couple Bib Danas here. These are actually from my mom's. She got these with my first. Thank you, Winston. But she sent these over so that I would have some at home. Perfect. The next thing I got from Walmart. This was on sale for $3, so I couldn't not get it. But this is a Carter's Child of Mine little summer romper. It's in 6 to 9 months. Should fit him by the time the weather is appropriate. But like I said, it was $3 and it was cute, so I got it. Next thing I got is from Walmart. This is more for my oldest right now, but I will be eventually using this with the younger one. This is a car seat cover. They were super expensive on Amazon, so I got this one from Walmart for $18. And next I grabbed these from the dollar store. So I had the silicone cradle cap scrubber on my baby registry, and the price skyrocketed. It went from $14 to $28. I found these little face scrubbers at the dollar store, so I picked these up. And if I do find the Frida one at Walmart or something, I will probably pick it up anyway, because you gotta wash them anyway, so it won't hurt to have multiples. Next thing I got is from a local company, local to me anyway. This is a teether. This is from Sam's Chewables. I actually went to high school with her. She's a lovely lady, and this is where I got pretty much all of Rory's soother clips, and his like big teethers and stuff were from her. I spent a lot of money on her business last time I was pregnant. Got this little metal clippy on it, and then it is a burger teether. I will leave her shop linked down below if you want to check out what else she has. She has like keychains, nursing necklaces, all of that good stuff. Let's talk Amazon registry. So the little things we ended up picking up, I got the Burt's Bees Baby. This is the everything balm, multi-purpose balm. I did get a 3-pack of teethers. These have all 3 stages. It's got that fish one that I love. I've already purchased one of these, the one in like the clamshell that comes on its own, but it also has one of the gel fridge teethers and one of the big, you see better on the back, like the finger teethers that reach farther back. So guys, set for teethers. Got 2 packs of the Safety First medicine sets. These are a lifesaver, especially if you use things like Oval or the infant Advil specifically, because the Advil doesn't have the little hole. And then I got a giant bag of Dapple, the bottle and dish soap. I pretty much will only use this on the bottles. Realistically, this should last for at least 6 months. And then the last little thing, the box is wrecked because Roars keeps trying to open it. He thinks it's a toy. This is the Munchkin nasal aspirator. You suck on it, it works the same as the Frida Baby. I do have the Frida Baby, but I wanted to give this one a try because it's new. It's Munchkin, it looks pretty durable, easy to clean, easy to sterilize. Also having more than one nasal aspirator with a gross snotty toddler and a gross snotty newborn is going to be very, very handy. And this actually, I didn't realize till I got it, comes with 3 different openings. Okay, let's talk the 2 big items. The first big item I got was a wooden baby gym. This was by the brand B. This one in particular, I believe, is sold out. It is absolutely gorgeous. We still haven't put it together yet, so unfortunately I can't show you that. And it also comes with a puffy, squishy baby mat. The one thing I hated about the play mats that we got with my last one is that the whole thing was, although you could take the bars off, the bars were also fabric. So they're very, very hard to clean. You couldn't put them through the wash. You'd have to completely like unhook and disassemble everything to wash it. So this one, I can just throw the mat and the soft toys in the wash. No big deal. And if I don't have the mat, I can throw a blanket underneath. Then the last thing I got was an extra saucer. It's not really an extra saucer. It's a baby seat, a baby gym, a sitting gym. I don't know. I just thought I didn't have one of those with my first, which was fine. I didn't really need it. But this time with a toddler running around and a newborn, as soon as this baby is capable of sitting up, I'm gonna need somewhere to put him. I want as many placement options as possible for this baby. I just want to make sure I have options. And also this one is the Grow With Me one, so they can play with it right up to toddlerhood. You can take the seat out, it has a little table to go in the center, and the toys come off the side so they can play with the toys individually. You can click all of the round bits on the side together to make a floor toy. So definitely worth the money, and it's actually the cheapest one you can get if you're looking for one of those sort of extra saucer type seats. I believe this one was initially $70 and it has since gone down to $63 or something like that. With our discount we only paid like $58 I think for this. So that was it. I'm gonna have to do an essentials haul at some point. That too will be coming probably in November. Thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you feel like it was necessary. Subscribe if you feel like you want to, and we'll see you in the next one.